Nigerian fintech sector makes about 1/3 of the fintech market in Africa. Therefore, disrupting the traditional financial models and leveraging fintech as a catalyst for inclusive socio-economic growth will boost diverse sectors across the continent. This was the submission of industry experts at Nigerian Fintech Week 2024, which was held in Lagos. The event brought together fintech professionals from Africa and around the world to promote innovation, collaboration, and thought leadership with discussions around the theme, positioning Africa's fintech ecosystem to accelerate inclusive growth, as it aimed at fostering economic inclusion and transitioning from revenue-driven to profitability-focused business models. Regulators, policymakers, and key stakeholders in attendance highlighted the need for robust policies and effective regulations in the fintech industry. Mr. Adebajomo, the immediate past president of the Fintech Association of Nigeria, during his keynote address, highlighted the need for Africa to migrate from being consumers of technology to inventors by looking at diversifying from setting up payment platforms to bringing up solutions in education, agriculture, and more.
As an industry, we still have several growth opportunities, and we must up the game in identifying and delivering these. Diversifying from payments, which have and continue to play a critical role in driving financial inclusion, into broader areas where technology can drive inclusive growth, such as insurtech, investech, agritech, edtech, health tech, to name a few. And also, as a country and continent, to start looking at and developing our own technology stacks. Rather than just being consumers of byproducts of science and engineering, we need to develop the Africa stack that is used within Africa and again exported around the world.
The Executive Vice Chairman of Nigerian Communications Commission, Dr. Aminu Maida, in his address, revealed that regulatory frameworks are crucial to creating a thriving, innovative environment.
So creating a space where innovation can thrive, and here regulatory sandboxes play a very critical part. The financial sector already has an established framework. Within the communication sector, we also have what we call the general authorization permit, which in a nutshell is a fancy way of calling it a sandbox. So basically, a general permit that allows us to test and explore without necessarily having figured out the full regulatory framework
for the particular service or product being offered.
Dr. Emomotimi Agama, Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission, informed stakeholders that smart regulations are catalysts for inclusive economic growth, and effective regulations should entail creating an enabling environment.
Securities and Exchange Commission, we believe that effective regulation is not just about enforcement, it's about creating an enabling environment where innovation can thrive while protecting the interests of all stakeholders.
Speaking on exploring strategies for leveraging generative AI, Dr. Emmanuel Edet, Acting Director, Regulation and Compliance, NITDA, laid emphasis on the need for regulatory frameworks for AI to be global.
Participation is not just beneficial, it is essential for ensuring that AI serves the interests of all humanities, not just the privileged few in advanced countries. The regulatory landscape for AI is still in its infancy. While nations like the United States, China, and the European Union are making strides in developing AI governance framework, these efforts often reflect their specific context and priorities. However, AI's impact will be global. It is already global, and its regulation must be global as well.
Stakeholders encourage collaboration between private and public sectors, as this will provide networking opportunities for fintech professionals in Africa and beyond, fostering innovation advancement of the ecosystem.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.